So now what we do, we differentiate this denominator with respect to d. So this will become 2 into e raised to power 2x, and we give here one x in multiplication, and this can be written as 2 times d minus 3 d dash into sine y plus 3x, sine y plus 3x. This 2 gets cancelled. This can be written as x into e raised to power 2x, x into e raised to power 2x, and here we cannot substitute, we have to substitute d square in place of d square की जगह पे माइनस ए स्क्वायर सब्सटीट्यूट करना है, d इंटू डी डैश के जगह पे माइनस ए बी सब्सटीट्यूट करना है, बिकॉज वी हैव हियर साइन, ठीक है, एंड डी डैश स्क्वायर के जगह पे माइनस बी स्क्वायर, बट हियर द टर्म्स आर ओनली d एंड d डैश, तो फिर क्या करेंगे, सो वी जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई बाई d, न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये ऊपर में d आ जाएगा, and this d into d means d square minus 3 in d into d dash, and this is sine y plus 3x, sine y plus 3x, ठीक है, and now in the denominator we substitute d square by minus a square, and here minus a is nothing but the 3, so here we substitute minus what minus 9, ठीक है, and in place of d into d dash we have to substitute minus of ab, and minus of ab means minus 3, so this will become x into e raised to power 2x, this d upon d square means minus 9, and minus 3 into minus 3, and again here this minus 9 and this plus 9 which is equal to 0, and again here case filled, again here case filled. So again we move to its previous step, ठीक है, जहां से हमने शुरू किया था वहीं पे फिर से जाते हैं. So again we start with x into e raised to power 2x, and this is 1 upon d minus 3 d dash, d minus 3 d dash sine y plus 3x, and again here we differentiate with respect to d, differentiate with respect to d. So what will, और यहाँ पे एक x extra आ जाएगा, so e raised to power 2x, and this x into x means x square, and differential of denominator में जो differential करेंगे that will be 1 sine of y plus 3x, ठीक है. So here this is our required particular integral whenever you find case failed case, जहाँ पे denominator में 0 आ जाए, and whenever you find the case is getting failed, तो उस समय में यही मेथड अप्लाई करना है, ठीक है. You just differentiate denominator with respect to d and solve further. E raised to power 2x into x square sine y plus 3x. So this is the particular integral. Now we next write its complete solution. So complete solution, general solutions are same words, okay. Complete solution, z is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So what is complementary function here? Complementary function, yes, e raised to power 2x phi 1 e raised to power 2x phi 1 y plus 3x, and plus x into e raised to power 2x phi 2 y plus 3x, and plus particular integral means e raised to power 2x into x square sine of y plus 3x, okay. So this is the final solution. and here this our first topic is over. ठीक है, एक टॉपिक ओवर हो गया है थर्ड यूनिट का. नाउ वी नेक्स्ट मूव टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, that is 9.14. 9.14, and this is Monge's method. Monge's method. Sometimes it is also called Monge's method, Monge's method. ठीक है, so and this method is for non-linear equation, non-linear equation of the second order, of the second order. Okay, so now let's check how is the format of that equation. Okay, so very standard format. So let the equation be, this is the procedure how to solve the examples. Whatever I am writing here, ठीक है, जो भी लिखा जाएगा, that is procedure to be followed for solving problems. ठीक है, so let the equation be, let the equation be r into r plus s into s plus t into t is equal to v, is equal to v. So where r, s, t, v are functions of, are functions of x, y, z, p and q. ठीक है, where what is mean by r, what is mean by r, r is nothing but the dou 2f by dou x square, s is nothing but dou 2f by dou x into dou y, and t is equal to dou 2f by dou y square. So this I give equation number 1. Okay, now we will write two expressions here. इसके पहले भी हमने लिखा था कि this dz can be written as, this dz can be written as dou z by dou x into dx plus what dou z upon dou y into dy. ये पहले भी लिखा है, कब लिखा है, ये चारपिट इक्वेशन में हमने लिखा है. ठीक है, वी हैव यूज्ड दिस फॉर द फाइनल सॉल्यूशन. ठीक है, फाइनल सॉल्यूशन निकालने के लिए हमने इसका यूज किया है. सो हियर वी जस्ट रिप्लेस दिस z बाय p, वहां का जो z है वहां पे हम p से रिप्लेस कर देते हैं. सो वी हैव दिस dp इज इक्वल टू dou p बाय dou x into dx and plus dou p by dou y into dy. And whenever what is that p, p is nothing but the differential with respect to x, partial differentiation with respect to x. So in here these terms are replaced by r, this dou p by dou x is replaced by r into dx, this dou p by dou y means s into dy. ठीक है, so give it equation number 2. नेक्स्ट आई एम राइटिंग हियर स्टैंडर्ड प्रोसीजर. तो यही प्रोसीजर आप हमको फॉलो करनी है व्हेन वी सॉल्व दी प्रॉब्लम्स. ठीक है, सो नेक्स्ट सिमिलरली वी राइट फॉर dq. dq कैन बी रिटन एज dou q by dou x into dx plus dou q by dou y into dy. And again this dou q should be there. Dou q is equal to s into dx plus t into dy, plus t into dy, and this is expression number 3, expression number 3. Now using expression number 2 and expression number 3, ठीक है, using expression number 2 and expression number 3 we can find the value of r. मतलब 2 को लिखा जा सकता है, this dp can be written as r dx plus s dy, and bring this here dp minus s dy, इसको इधर लेके आ गए, यहाँ पे r dx, and this can be written as r is equal to dp minus s dy upon dx. Similarly, dq is equal to s dx plus t dy, और यहाँ से t की वैल्यू निकालेंगे, so this can be written as dq minus s dx is equal to t dy, and using this expression, or this expression will imply dq minus s dx upon dy. So we will have to use these two expressions, the value of r and the value of t, where in expression number 1. So putting r and t from above in 1, we get, क्या मिलेगा? What is the equation? Equation 1 is what? rr plus ss plus tt is equal to v, and when we substitute in place of r, so this will become r into dp minus s dy upon dx plus ss plus t into t, that small t is dq minus s dx upon dy, and it is equal to v. So here I multiply this equation throughout with dx into dy. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? This will imply that r, यहाँ से dx हट जाएगा, and this will be dp minus s dy into dy plus s into s dx into dy plus t into dq minus s dx, dy हट जाएगा, dx आ जाएगा, and here v into dx into dy. ठीक है? So this equation can be written as, ठीक है, r into dp into dy, r into dp into dy, इसको भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और इसको भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, ठीक है, then plus t into dq into dx plus t into dq into dx, and bring this here v dx dy, so minus of v dx into v dy. ठीक है, this is, यहाँ पे एक ब्रैकेट दे देते हैं. Now what's the terms are remaining? So minus s into, यहाँ पे s की टर्म है, here we have s term, ठीक है, उसके साथ r भी है, और इधर से भी मल्टीप्लाई होगा, तो क्या आएगा? माइनस साइन बाहर निकाल दिया, सो व्हाट रिमेन्स इन द ब्रैकेट? dy square r, this dy into dy square, s is taken outside and this r is inside the bracket. ठीक है, देन यहाँ पे प्लस साइन है and we are taking minus s common, therefore its sign will get changed, and this will be minus s into dx into dy. ठीक है, एंड लास्ट ये वाला टर्म यहाँ पे s है, तो माइनस s यहाँ से कॉमन लेंगे तो प्लस t इंटू dx स्क्वायर, एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू 0. ठीक है, so this is equation number 4. Equation number 4. Equation 4 is satisfied. Equation 4 is satisfied if ये ब्रैकेट को 0 बना देते हैं, if we have r dp into dy plus t dq into dx minus v into dx into dy is equal to 0. Give it equation number 5. This expression numbers are very important. ठीक है, and next is r into dy square minus s into dx into dy plus t into dx square is equal to 0, and this is expression number 6. Now equation number 5 and equation number 6 are called Monge's method. Monge's method or Monge's not Monge's method, Monge's equation. These two equations, no? These equations, no? Therefore Monge's equation. तो यहाँ पे MCQ ऐसे आ सकता है कि which of the following equations are Monge's equation, और वहां पे आपको कुछ equations दिए हुए होंगे ऐसे. ठीक है, some equations will be given in options and you will have to identify there which one of the Monge's equation. ठीक है, एक भी दिया हो सकता है और दो भी दिए हुए हो सकते हैं. So in this manner you have to prepare for the MCQ पैटर्न के लिए आपको ऐसे रेडी रहना है. ठीक है, so now since equation 6 can be, it is quadratic equation, no? It is quadratic equation. Therefore, this equation can be factorized into two equations. Okay, into two equations. Now this is the method to solve these two equations. Okay, so suppose we have two equations, that y minus m1 dx equal to 0 and dy minus m2 into dx is equal to 0. Now combine dy minus m1 dx is equal to 0 and equation 5 ठीक है. Or now what we have to do, we have to find here the solution which will we get in the form as dz is equal to p into dx plus q into dy. This is the method. ठीक है, ये तो मेथड है, और जैसे जैसे आप एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करेंगे मेथड आपको क्लियर होते जाएगा. ठीक है, नाउ while solving 5 and 6, the solution leads to two integrals the solution leads to two integrals, दो solutions मिलेंगे वहां पे, u in वहां पे x भी होगा, y भी होगा, z होगा, p and q will be there, and it is equal to some constant a, and v in the form of x, y, z, p, q is equal to b. Okay, and what equation 7? So we get a relation between u and v, and we write as v1 is equal to f of, sorry, this must be small v. Okay, and here expression number 7. Equation 7 is further integrated by method of first order equation. Okay, so we will solve, whenever we solve problems, this all the methods, all these steps will be clear to you. So just remember the important steps of these equations. ठीक है, अगर ऐसा equation होता है तो you have to remember that you have to take this equation, these two equations. From that equation you have to form equation number 2 and 3. ये standard है, ठीक है, और equation 2 और 3 का use करके we have to find the value of r and t, and then substitute these values of r and t in given equation, simplify that equation, equate with 0, two equations will get formed, and these equations are known as Monge's equation. Okay, and then further solve these two equations for the final solution. Okay, so next we solve examples. Example solve करते हैं. So example number 50. Example number 50. Solve r is equal to a square t. R is equal to a square t. Now if I compare with the standard form, ठीक है, अगर मैं स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म के साथ इसको कंपेयर करती हूँ तो मेरा स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म क्या है, आर आर प्लस एस एस प्लस टी टी इज इक्वल टू वी. ठीक है, सो कैन यू गेस, only we have one term, no, two terms here. So this equation can be written as r minus a square t is equal to 0. मतलब यहाँ पे जो कैपिटल r की वैल्यू है वो 1 है, इसके साथ 1 है. ठीक है, देन s की टर्म नहीं है, therefore कैपिटल s is 0. t की है, हाँ, yes, so कैपिटल t is minus a square and v is equal to 0. V is equal to 0. In this way you can compare these two equations. Okay, and now we apply the method. Okay, so let us consider the given equation. The given equation B, r is equal to a square t, and I give it equation number 1. Okay, then we have dp is equal to r into dx plus s into dy, and dq is equal to s dx plus t dy. And using these two equations, ये ऊपर में ही ये equations कहाँ से आए, कैसे आए? So we have written these two equations, equation number 2 and equation number 3. ठीक है, so now from this equation write the value of r, which is dp minus s dy इसको इधर लेके आ जाएंगे, dp minus s dy and upon dx, and here what t is equal to dq minus s dx upon dy. Now what we do, we use this values in given equation. Okay, so using r and t in equation 1, so our equation 1 is r is equal to a square into t, so this will be dp minus s dy upon dx is equal to a square into t. What is t? It is dq minus s dx upon dy. Okay, and we solve this problem further, so this will become dp minus s dy square, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं ऐसे, ठीक है, dp इंटू dy भी आ जाएगा यहाँ पे, dp इंटू dy s dy स्क्वायर, ठीक है, एंड what this a square dq into dx, this a square dq into dx and minus a square s dx square, okay, equal to 0. And just we simplify this, so dp into dy minus s dy square minus a square dq into dx and this plus a square s into dx square equal to 0. This again further can be written in simplified way as dp into dy, this dp into dy minus a square dq into dx, then minus s is taken outside, ठीक है, minus s is taken outside and this can be written as dy square, यहाँ पे dy square बचा है और माइनस साइन कॉमन लेंगे तो यहाँ पे भी माइनस हो जाएगा a square into dx square equal to 0, ठीक है. So very first we write Monge's equation. So our Monge's equation are Monge's equation are, पहला तो इक्वेशन है कि dp इंटू dy माइनस ए स्क्वायर dq इंटू dx, इसको कंपेयर करेंगे 0 के साथ, इक्वल टू 0, एंड सेकेंड इक्वेशन इज dy स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर इंटू dx स्क्वायर, इसको कंपेयर करेंगे 0 के साथ, ठीक है. Now this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 3. Now this 3 is quadratic equation. Therefore using the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, this equation can be factorized and can be written as dy plus a into dx and dy minus a into dx is equal to 0, and further we will get here two equations, dy plus a dx is equal to 0 and dy minus a dx is equal to 0. Okay, so remaining problem we will solve in next lecture. ठीक है.